Thanks for joining me to take this mindful pause to breathe better, feel better, and just de-stress. So start by closing your eyes, place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly, and just take notice of your breath. Nice breath in your nostrils and out your nostrils. And just be here as you let your breath help you melt away any stress. Feel a sense of lightness. Feel a sense of melting away any negativity that you don't need. Nice breath in and nice breath out. Notice your breath getting a little bit longer, both on the inhales and the exhales. Start to lower your hands down onto your thighs and just notice how you feel in general. Blink open your eyes and thank yourself for taking just a quick pause to breathe.